I have this MITZONE water outlet replacement part, which I'm going to be installing on my Chevy Cruze. Looking at the part I need to replace right here, you can see a lot of the deposit from the water that I've been using to nurse this along. It's hard to see, but down here the factory part is cracked, and that's what's causing leakage. And this is nice because it is aluminum and supposedly will be crack proof. This also comes with 3 mounting screws. So I'm an amateur mechanic and I'm following instructions I found online, so hopefully it goes well and I don't run into any issues. This will be going right down here up against the engine block, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my repair. All right, so I got the piece out and the problem was very obvious. Here we go. There's the culprit for my leak. We're gonna replace it with this. Got the new part in. I just gotta tighten it down now. Gonna fill it up and let it drain down into the system. All right, got the engine up to full speed and the water outlet looks good. No leaks that I can see. Think we're in good shape. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.